right, we are in Hawaii Popcon 2025. It is January 11th, Saturday. This should be an interesting show because market is booming, it's pumping. First stop, can make sure you get his face. He looks really good in Hawaii. The Glaceon All-Star from Evolving Skies. What do you value it at? It ranges from 220 to 290.
Whatever the highest one is.
What?
Whatever the highest sale is.
Okay, this is the Japanese Mew. It's basically like 700.
Japanese? Oh, you want that?
Yeah, I want that.
How much do you want to pay?
We'll do a deal. Can I show the camera the card? I have permission to open your case, sir. I have permission to open this case, so keyboard warriors, calm down. Hey, I didn't mean to slam your slabs, bro. I love this guy. Hey, don't call security. All right, so I like this card. I think it's undervalued. Stickered at 700, pretty accurate market. What's your bottom on these? The Zard promo. Why not? I want them. I want these. He has two of them. What's comp? 17? 18? We can cook. What is this? 300? Rowlet? Scream Rowlet? I'm interested. Glaceon Altar. What's the base set Charizard and a 9 worth? 800? CP6 20th anniversary. What's the Radiant collection worth? Generations. 300, 200, 400, 500? I'll alt it to be safe. Anything else on that side?
Biggest casino on TikTok.
Yes, sir. Rainbow Zard. And the Leafeon's around 2, right? 2 something?
I don't know anymore.
Yeah, I like the Leafeon and the Rainbow Zard. How much is Crystal Lugia in a 7?
Last sold 1,700.
What's your bottom on that?
I can sell for 1,700.
Oh, okay. That's too much for my bags. What about the poncho pair? What are those worth?
A lot. They
Like-
were a lot before, like in December.
How much are they? Like 500, 600 each?
They might be closer.
I'm interested in those two. Could I pull those out too? And I'm basically good in this area. So this used to be like $100 back in the day. And now this is like 200 on the spot. Leafeon Altar is 200 on the spot.
Okay, Leafeon's 200.
200 on Leafeon, say 270.
200 each.
What? Okay, I'm interested. Can I see those? Base set Charizard, Japanese. Ooh, we won't tell him, but this has a little swirl up there. You see that swirl? Swirls get curls, right? Last comp is 755 and 750 right before that. So 750 on base art, PSA 9, Japanese. Scream Rowlet, that's a nice card. Not really, but it's okay. I feel like this is too much. I had some like 400 comps. Yeah, that's crazy. I don't even like this card that much. I don't know. You know the Venusaur from 151 had a 440 comp or something like that? I think that's ridiculous. I think 250 is fair on the Glaceon. Are you trading those cards with him or no?
Hey, I'm gonna get them in.
Okay, because I want those.
Okay.
What do you have that one?
Trade or cash them out or what are you doing?
You're gonna
Okay.
trade it in.
Okay, you want to do it right now or no? I'm just comping these cards. Do your thing. This is like 250. Am I overpaying?
What is that?
The CP6 Holo. No, it's like 230, 220.
I think 250 sounds good, bro.
No, there's literally buy nows at 220 on eBay. I just really want the Magikarp Wailord, the Japanese one. Did you get the Magikarp Wailord or no?
It's in that. It's another trade.
Yeah, I'd value them at around 600 each or something, whatever you want to say. All right, so in order, from top to bottom, I valued the Poncho Vulpix pair at 1250.
Okay.
630 is what I valued the Festa at. Comps are 6 to 650.
That one I know is 7.
Yeah, I put 700. That's 700 on the Mew. Base set Zard, you saw it. I put 750.
Yeah.
Okay. This Zard and this Zard are both 230. This is 270. This is 270. So two 230s. Oh, 270 on the Rainbow Zard. And then Leafeon at 200 and Glaceon at 240. That's every card in this stack comped. I think it was fair comps. Total would be 4,500 market.
This one could be a little higher. Last two are 275.
I put what, 230?
Yeah.
Was there a 220 comp?
Like last year.
Oh. So okay, 30 bucks. Does that make you happy?
Yes.
So 45,
Do
30,
you want a Leafeon?
200 exactly. All the comps are 200. 45, 30 market. I put 240 on that.
What you have on Glaceon?
240. I gave you 30 on the Generations.
The spread is What are you paying me? What are you paying me now?
What do you want? TikTok, I might get banned in a week, so I don't even know if I want to pay that high right now.
What do you want to pay me?
So you don't want a Moonbryon and then money? How much would you buy a Moonbryon if someone offered it to you right now?
If someone, what is the last one? Is
31.
Dude, I can't touch a Moonbryon.
I know. What would you buy it at?
I don't know if I would
80%?
even buy it. I don't even know if I would buy it at 80%.
I don't know either.
I don't know if people actually buy it at 3K.
I know evolving boxes are like $1,500.
I'm just holding those. I'll hold those forever.
Josh just bought a case for like $7 grand. Would you pay a $7K for a great case?
Josh is crazy. Josh is active on Facebook. He's so active.
I think evolving boxes are gonna hit like 2.5 grand soon.
I think they will.
Okay. Market's around 4,500.
What do you want to give me?
90%'s like 4 grand. 85%'s 38.50. You have a coin?
4 grand is less than 90%.
What is that? 89.8%?
It's like 88.
What? On 45.30?
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. What do you want?
I want 4.
Flip 39 or a 4?
39 or 41.
Did you take those already?
Yeah.
Can I see those real quick? What did you comp the Mewtwo at?
Like a little bit above 2, I think.
I'm interested in that. You want this?
I need that.
Okay. I have like 40 of these. And I have 80 Japanese Bubble Mew 10s.
No way.
Yeah, I bought them all for like 160 like 2 months ago. And now they're like almost 300.
Do you have your Giratina still?
No, I only have like 2. That's fine. I'm fine with that.
I bet I like 230.
Let me see. Yeah, sure, that's fine. So 45.30 plus 230. So market's 47.60 with the Mewtwo and Mew tag team. 90% is 42.80.
Okay.
Let's just flip 42 or 43. That's fair. So if you win, you're up higher than 90. If I win, I'm like 88.
What's the total? The total is
47.60.
47.60.
Yeah.
You're saying how much or how much?
42 or 43?
42. 42 or 43?
Yeah. If you win, you get 90.7%. If you lose, it's 88.2%.
Dude, but I'm gonna lose, bro.
I lost today already. A flip.
No. Every video you post, I'm losing, bro.
Yeah, you've actually never beat me in a flip.
Literally, I know I'm gonna lose.
You're like
a little bit more upside.
Well, that's why it's only $100. Like this is $50 swing, bro.
Give me a little bit more in my favor.
If you lose, dude, it's only a $50 swing. 42 or 43. Middle point's 42.50.
So we're doing middle point 42.50?
Yeah, that's why I said 42 or 43 flip. Why are you so confused? 90% is 42.80, right?
Okay, let's do it.
You're like, wait, this sounds too
Do you have
good.
a point?
No, do you?
I don't think I have a point.
I'm gonna keep this. Is that okay?
You need it?
Yeah, I don't have.
You're hurt, huh?
Yeah, I know. TikTok going off in a week, dude. Fuck. I need a penny pinch, quarter pinch. All right, I'm with my boy, Mr. Sam K&M Collectibles. We love to see this face because he's never beat me in a coin flip. We're gonna flip over this Mewtwo Mew. Beautiful Poncho Vulpix pair. We got a Generations English Zard and a Japanese CP6. Yes, Japanese CP6. A base set Charizard, Japanese PSA 9. A Battle Festa 2015 Pikachu. A Rainbow Zard. Glaceon Altart, Leafeon Altart, and the beautiful Mew. Market was around 47.60. We're gonna flip 4,200 or 4,300. You wanna throw it?
No,
All right, here?
You throw it, I call. You throw
Oh
it, I
boy. Ready? Oh, do you want me to throw it here?
call. Throw it on the floor.
On the floor? Can you put it on the camera? All right, ready?
Yep.
You call. Ready? 3, 2, 1, 4,200, 4,300.
Tails always fail.
He says tails always fails. What does it say? He says tails! He said tails! He said tails and landed heads!
This is all scripted. Is the camera on? Oh, I thought the camera was on Ash for a second.
Hold on. Goated, boss!
I always do.
No, it's enough.
4,200. How do you feel, good sir?
Victim to Golden Pools 2025. Unsubscribe from Golden Pools on TikTok.
You hate my money, right?
I hate his money. His coins are rigged. It's all scripted.
Yeah, it's just a
Here we
matrix,
go.
bro. Everything's rigged. I don't want too many cards. I want the cards I really want are Dragonite, Umbreon, Vaporeon, the 2 rainbows. How many dupes of which ones?
I have, I think, 5 of this and then 2 of this.
I'd take dupes of those. What else do you have?
You see those are like lower end.
I'll check those out too. And here, I don't think I really want anything. The base set Blastoise in a 10 is kind of cool. Here, I want the CP6, that one.
What percentage are you doing?
What do you want to be at?
Right now I want to be at 90.
I can be close to that. Umbreon, GX,
Okay, dupes.
Zard.
I should have 1 or 2.
Yeah, works for me. Starmie. I basically I have like a sweet spot price that I need. You work with me, I'll work with you, brother.
What?
You work with me, I'll work with you.
Okay. Yeah. You want to
Do you want me to take the cards out that I want to make it fast for you?
Alright, I'll tell you yes or no.
Okay, this,
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
Zapdos, this. Remember you told me like 40 of these?
Oh yeah. Do you want more?
What?
You want more?
They're too expensive now.
Right?
How many do you have?
Should have 130 more.
130 of these birds? PSA 10?
I'm expecting 100.
Here right now or no? Oh, and at home? Gold Mew. I'm good on, actually, I like this card too. Alakazam. I'm good on this case, and then, is it cool if I open this one? You got Moonbreons. I want the Starmie. If you have dupes of Starmie, I'll take Starmie dupes. And yeah, I'll take dupes of that. Are you firm at this price on this? Or are you cool with just going off market and then a little percent off that? I'll show you comps.
I want to be at 90.
Okay. Do you have more of this or no?
That was my last one.
Okay. And this bad boy. All right, I'm good on these 2 display cases. So you want, that's 90%. You want 4,400 here, right? You want 4,400 here. This is 2785. 2785 on the Altart stack. You think 25 is fair here?
Marshall was 27.85.
Yeah. It's 90%. 25 and 4,400, so basically 90% on both. That's what I'd pay you. That's fair. But I would pay you the 4,400 here if you give me the 25 here.
I wanted to be at 44.
I would want to be at like 43, so I'm just gonna like take 100 off there, 100 off. The deal is basically 10 grand, isn't it? Let me just do my math real quick. If I paid you 4,400, you said you wanted 26 here. I said I want to be at 25, right? So we're at 6,900 here, right? I want to be at 3,150 here, right? That's exactly 10,050. And I said, yeah, I'll give you $100. So I could pay you 10,150 for everything.
Can you show me the totals for these? Or for this one?
Yeah. So check it out. This was 4,900, right? You wanted to be at 90. I said I want to be a little bit lower than 90, okay? And this was 2785.
27.85.
Yep. And then I said I'd do 3,150 here, and then I'll give you 100. So basically $10 towards that. So 3,160.
What was your total number?
10,150, right?
With this or without?
With all of these. $100 I added for the card. You want me to show the math again one more time?
This, no.
You want me to show it to you?
This is mine.
Because you want a little bit higher, right?
Yeah. And then these were a little bit off.
So I'm at 10.15, you're at 10.3. I think my number's fair though.
I mean, we can take this out. We'll get closer.
We're basically arguing over 1%.
I mean, that 1% can be a lot.
In this market, with TikTok getting banned in a week, I don't know, you might not see me anymore.
What?
TikTok's getting, I think, banned in like 8 days.
What?
TikTok, I mean, you never heard about the news? Oh, sorry.
I don't really keep up with that stuff.
Where's my coin at? I have a coin.
Oh, no.
I'll flip you 10-1 or 10-3.
Oh. I can,
You don't want to flip?
I can, but I can middle ground at 10.
I'll come up from 10.15 to 10.2. So I'll flip you 10-1 or 10-3. That's very fair. I'm paying you higher than I wanted here. And there. And there. 10-1, 10-3 flip.
Oh, you just said low.
Well, yeah, I'd do middle point at 10.2K. 10,200. There's a buy now on eBay for $11.98 on the 2014 Festo right now.
There's an auction at 12:30.
Yeah, but it might not get paid for. We all know how that works. And the guy's gonna pay like what, 10, 12% fees on eBay. So the seller's gonna net like not even 1,100. 10-1, 10-3. You're getting paid way more than eBay right now. 10-1, 10-3, flip. Or you just wanna do no flip at 10-2, flat.
Let's do flip at 10. My number.
So what would that flip look like?
We can do 100 up, 100 down. Or if you don't want to risk, we could just do like it.
You're cool with PayPal, right? FNF?
Can you sell?
I don't think I can sell that much.
No, like you could do as much sell as you can.
You don't want Moonbryon? And I have to use my Zelle limit? Work with me.
I'll take PayPal.
You take PayPal FNF and come down 25 bucks. 10-2, 10-3 flip.
I'm taking PayPal. I don't want PayPal.
Bro, it's $25. So middle point 10-2-5 so we can flip 10-2 or 10-3. Fair? All right, we got a Mazal finally. 10,200, 10,300 coin flip. You want to throw or do you want me to throw? You throw? On the ground? All right, give me one sec. We're gonna flip for this massive lot. We got a bunch of alt arts. We got 2 Mega Charizards from Evolutions. 5 Rainbow Zards from Champions Path. What else? 3 Starmies. 2 Shiny Umbreons. What else we got? What else we got? We got a Neo Zard. We got a CP6 Zard. We got 2 Rainbow Pikachus. An English 25th Zard. A Golden Mew from Celebrations. A cool XY Alakazam. A Gardevoir from Pokécune. A Japanese 151 Zapdos. Sunset Mew. We went over the Altarts already. We have a Japanese Magikarp, which is pretty cool. And last but not least, icing on the cake, 2 Festas and the Poncho Luigi. Market was over 11 grand. We're flipping 10-2 or 10-3. 10,200, 10,300 with Mr. Kibby TCG or Alex in Hawaii Popcon. Let's go. On the ground, tails, 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 tails. Yes, baby. That's tails. That's tails. Appreciate you, brother. 10.2. Goated Pulse. Rainbow Tag Team Sableye. It's like $50 to $80. This is the Rainbow Sableye. It's like, it's all over the place. It's like 30, 40, 80, 50. And then I'll show you the other one too, and then I'll just give you an offer for both. Gardevoir is kind of weird. 130, 190, 90 to 120, 50. What would you do on the pair?
Thank you.
You take PayPal, FNF?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Will you put the, what we said this one was?
Dude, there's sales from like 90 to 180 or something like that. I just want to do a quick fun deal. If you want to flip a little bit. Oh, sorry, this one was 30 to 80. This one's like
130, 190, and then something else?
yeah, this is like low hundreds, mid hundreds. Also had like an under 100 comp too. I don't know. I'd say market's close to $200 in the pair. Market's like 180 to 200. You want to flip 150, 170? Yeah. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
I'll throw, you call.
All right, on the ground?
Yeah.
All right, we're flipping 150 or 170 on these 2 Japanese rainbow rares. Sableye, Tyranitar, and Gardevoir Sylveon. Tails. That is tails. Appreciate you, sir. 150, right? Yep.
Goated Pulse.